Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to our yet another uh, video from Africa Careers. Today I have exciting or great news regarding internship opportunity at Nile Breweries. We've received several requests from you, our members, for guidance on how you can be able to get onto this internship program, how you can grab yourself this opportunity. As usual, I'm your job navigator from Africa Careers. And in this video, I'll walk you through the steps and procedures you need to follow to successfully submit your application for this opportunity. Before we dive into the video, I want to make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. You have, of course, accessed our WhatsApp channel and you're following us on the channel. Of course, why is that important? It is important because that way you will never miss out on any latest job opportunities and career tips and guidance videos like this one here. This video is proudly sponsored by Apex Tax and Accounting School, your trusted partner for professional training programs like CPA Uganda, the Certified Tax Advisor course. They also have the Tax Practitioners course for those who want to begin their own tax agency, tax consultancy. If you want to work as a tax accountant, they have that very, very nice course. So check out the details of the course using the link in the description box down below. You can also visit their website, www.apexaccountingschool.com, and check out the different programs, revision keys, textbooks they have, especially for those of you doing accounting and finance. You need to really get in touch with those guys. So without any further ado, I will now take you through our internship program at Nile Breweries. All right. So, of course, I'm speaking to those who are passionate and driven students looking to gain hands-on experience in the brewing industry. So if you're that kind of person, I'm talking to you. This video is just for you. Ensure that you stay right here. After the end of the video, I have more tips for you to enhance your career. So the internship program at Nile Breweries presents a very exciting opportunity for you, which is going to allow you to develop practical skills, to network with industry professionals, and immerse yourself in the world of brewing. So on your screen is the post that we made regarding this opportunity. So I'm presenting following this post. Next, we shall look at why you would really fight so hard to join this internship program. So this internship program at Nile Breweries is designed to give you real world experience. Getting on board will help you to learn from industry experts, and it's going to help you to gain practical skills that will set you apart from others. Then number two, it's a way of networking. It's going to give you the networking opportunities. You're going to be able to connect with professionals, and thus you're going to grow your career in terms of connections. Then number three, as per our post, it's going to give you the opportunity to immerse yourself in the brewing with brewing knowledge. You're going to dive deep into the brewing process and discover what it takes to thrive in that kind of industry. What are the eligibility requirements? Okay, so again on the post, we are saying that To be considered for the internship, you must, number one, submit a letter from your institution, from your university. If you're from Makerere University, they need to look at your letter from the Makerere University. If you're from UCU, UMU, Kampala International University, or Kampala University, any university institution you're coming from, you need to present a letter from your institution along with your results from previous semesters. Now, I think, friends, you're getting to note that all these companies that are offering a GEC internship opportunities are requiring you to present your results. And what does this one speak to you? It means that you need to work very, very hard. This is your opportunity to shine. So don't waste your time at the university. Work very hard, because if you work very hard and you have very good results, opportunities are going to present themselves. So number two, we have the other eligibility requirement. You must be part of the June-July intake. Meaning that applications from other intakes are not going to be considered, though I wouldn't consider, if I was in your shoes, I wouldn't consider this as a limitation. I would still try my luck. Just imagine nobody submits and you're the only person. You're coming from a different intake. So regardless of whichever intake, for you, I would really encourage you to go in and submit your application. Then number three, you're supposed to send your application via email. I'm going to be sharing the emails on the screen. Physical copies will not be accepted. Please don't do those things of dropping physical copies at Nile Breweries. They're not going to accept them. So I think it is even convenient for you to submit your application via the email. Then number four, as part of the eligibility requirement, you're supposed to apply according to your preferred site. We are going to see in the next segment the available sites. So those are the eligibility criteria. Next, we talk about the available internship sites and contacts. There are three major internship sites. We have the Kampala site, the email address. You're going to send your application if you prefer to be part of the Kampala site or to work at the Kampala site. You're going to send your application to intern@ug.abinbev.com. Then if you prefer to work at the Mbarara site, you send your application to the Mbarara intern mbarara@ug.abinb.com. Make sure you don't error on that email. If you prefer to work for the Ginger site, then again, you're going to send your email to the intern ginger@ug.abinbev.com. All right, how do you apply? How do you apply? So you're going to craft a very nice cover letter or application letter. I would want to really share with you a very nice application letter for this. So because you're watching this video up to the end, I'm going to share with you a link. Okay, make sure you come to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and then look into the description box down below the video. You'll be able to see a link that's going to take you to a sample application letter, or you can use the numbers, our numbers, our WhatsApp numbers. I can share with you a very nice application letter for this particular opportunity, so that you can really shine. This is, each time you get an opportunity, make sure you shine. Don't take chances. Do it as if it's your last. So you're going to address your application to the Learning and Development Manager at Nile Breweries Limited, PO Box 1345, Kampala. Please take note that you're to send your application before the deadline. The deadline for application is 19th of March, 2025. And please take note that late applications are not going to be considered. I would suggest that you send your application right now. Ensure that you double check that your application is addressed to the correct site and contains all the required documents. As a tip, friends, I think if I were you, I would actually also attach my CV. I know you haven't yet graduated, you haven't yet completed, you could be just on your journey, but a CV is very, very important. A CV, again, I'm going to share a link. I'm going to share with you a sample CV that you can use for this particular application. A CV, very many people do not know that a CV is very important in these circumstances because it's going to talk about you. It's going to talk about your journey, your achievements, your names, basically your details, your profile. So it is important that as you really send in this application, you also attach the CV, okay? Start building your CV right now. So with that, I end our video, our meeting, our session right here, of course, by encouraging you not to miss out on this incredible opportunity to gain valuable experience and kickstart your brewing career. Apply now and take the first step towards a promising future. Continue to look out for more links and more opportunities on our website, www.africareers.net. We are the largest online job listing and HR firm in Uganda and Africa. We are taking over. If you look at our the way we are taking over, you'll see that we are really a reputable institution and we're here to support you. We've been doing it for the last 10 years, so we should be able to do it over and over again. So I wish you all the best. See you in our next video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, share. Thank you.